Hello, hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. We have this super cute upcycled project for you, which is no sew, but you can sew it if you wish. Come on, let's take a look and see how these are made. So these are super easy to make. You take a bottom piece of your denim leg. There's not an exact size, just cut a piece off and cut straight across the bottom. Now this side is less stiff than this side, but to be honest, you can cut both ends. It doesn't really matter. And then you're going to turn it inside out. And obviously, depending on the trouser leg, if it's a children's trousers, it'll be narrower and it'll make a slightly smaller pot. If it's grown-up trousers, then obviously it'll make a slightly bigger pot. The first thing you do is you take your safety pins and you safety pin this together. You can obviously sew it. This is a really good, simple sewing project. But we decided we were going to do a safety pin version, but sewing would be so easy and is a really, really good way of doing this as well. So make sure it's as neat as possible and that the seams are on either end. There we go. Then you want to kind of give the pot some shape, so we're going to turn it sideways and pull the fabric out, so that this time you need to, so you've got the seam now going along the middle, and now I want to create this kind of triangle. So you've got your original seam going down, and I'm just going to put one pin across it, or maybe two. This will give it shape, so it won't be like just a really squishy bottom. So, and again, if you're sewing this, that's fine as well. You would basically create this triangle, and where I've got the safety pin, sew across it. Oh, my safety pin's a bit funny. There we go. So you would do a straight line across it. Yeah. Flip it over. Again, get your seam all in the middle. Get it as neat as you can. And again, until you've got this sort of triangle, so you've got the seam here, and just put a pin across. And again, if you want to, you can sew it. There we go. So that's all your pinning and sewing done. Now you turn it inside out. And it gives you this kind of neat bottom. Do you see? It's actually really good, isn't it? That's where it sort of stands on. And if you want this to be wider, you just put the pin a bit lower down, but then you might need two as well. And then the last thing you do, and this is where you can trim this off if you want, because this one's actually, I will trim it off because this one's quite narrow. I think these were tapered jeans. I don't want them to kind of make the top tight. Now, all you do now is fold this over a few times until you've got a size that you like. Might do it one more time. And then just shape it. Make sure this is nice and neat. And you have yourself a little pen pot. There we go. That's how easy these are to make. So let me just neaten this off. And then if you want, you can obviously decorate them. So you can stitch things on it if you want. So in this case, I put a little bunny that we made before, a little badge on it. You could have, this would look really cute. You could have a little pom-pom fairy on it. I've also in the past made these paracord dragonflies. So basically have a look around at either other small projects of things that you've made and see which you can use to decorate your little pouches with. And that's how quick and easy it is to make yourself a pen holder from trouser legs. Isn't that fun? Anyway, if you like this craft, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.